All right, I got one more quick Sienna video because this was actually kind of confusing. I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So, the 2018 Toyota Sienna, we got a TPMS light on. That, if you don't know what that means, that is the tire pressure monitor light. There's this guy that tells you you have a low tire. So that guy is stuck on there. I can't find anywhere in the screen here that shows you the actual individual tire pressures on the display, on this model at least. But I pulled out my handy dandy scanner there. It doesn't throw any codes, but I can look at the independent values of the tires. I checked them all by hand. They needed a couple PSI, but nothing that should have registered low. Then I realized there is 5 readings, not 4. That's because the spare tire has a TPMS sensor in it, and it is at 14 PSI. So we need to drop the spare tire and air it up, and that should fix the light. So what we're gonna do is make sure we don't accidentally lock the keys in this thing. We're gonna go ahead and drop this spare tire, which is a goofy thing. If you've never done it, I'm pretty sure on these vans it is directly, oh, too fancy. You see me try and do that like a human being and open it instead of letting it open itself. She's got some dirties back here, but we'll just push that to the side and we'll not judge her because my car's not that much better. But I am pretty sure. Yep. So if you pull this mat back right here, it's a little tab cut into the carpet. You pull this up. See this little nut head right there? Let me go figure out what size socket that is. I'll grab my impact. That holds the spare tire directly under the side right here. So we will lower that down. It has a tool in the back. It's on like the right hand side. I guess I can show it to you. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use a socket. But you have to pull the trunk lid, but not the door. Silly. This door right here. So if you pull this little tab back, this has everything you need. There's the socket, and then you got like these bars and jacks and things for changing your tire on the side of the road. But in our case, we're just going to find the socket that fits it, and we're going to do it with an impact, so it's a heck of a lot faster. Well, the answer for the drop down nut is a 23 millimeter. And then with the impact, it just right down, easy peasy lemon squeezy. But the bad news is in the case of this one, that spare tire had 55 PSI in it, with a max rating of 60. So that sensor is bad. But I just fished it back in there, zipped it up. I hate those little like pass-through thingies that hold the tires, but I do not envy anybody who actually has to use that thing. That kind of sucked. But it's not too bad. So if you need to drop your spare tire, that's how you do it on these Siennas. It's kind of goof. And if you have a TPMS sensor on, check that spare because it checks that one too.